Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious butter egg omelet from start to finish. We'll begin by gathering all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and a small pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure your non-stick pan is clean and ready. Also, have any fillings like cheese or fresh herbs prepared and close at hand for easy addition later. Now let's prepare our eggs. Crack your 2 or 3 eggs into a small bowl. Using a fork or a whisk, beat them vigorously for about 30 seconds until the yolks and whites are fully combined and slightly frothy. Next, place your 10-inch non-stick pan over medium-low heat for approximately 1 minute. Then, add 1 full tablespoon of butter, allowing it to melt and evenly coat the entire bottom surface of the pan. It's time to cook. Pour the whisked eggs into the hot, buttered pan, ensuring they spread evenly across the bottom. Let the eggs cook undisturbed for about 30 seconds or until the edges begin to set and firm up. Now, using a spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, tilting the pan slightly to allow the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Repeat this a few times. Almost done. If you're adding fillings, now is the time. Sprinkle your desired ingredients like 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese or fresh herbs onto 1/2 of the partially cooked omelet. Let it cook for another 30 seconds, just long enough for the cheese to melt slightly and the eggs to finish setting. Finally, carefully fold the omelet in half using your spatula and gently slide it onto a warm plate. Serve your perfect omelet immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.